Hello, hello. Good evening. Where's Ngok? Hello? Hello, good evening. Hello, hello. Oh, Ngok. Hello, good evening, Ngok. Welcome, welcome again to our class. So my name again is Teacher Iris. Hello. Okay. Hello, Ngok. Can you hear teacher, Ngok? Can you hear? Hello. Hello, Ngok. Hello, hello. Oh, okay. Hello, Ngok. Good evening, good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. So now, how are you today, Ngok? It's nice to see you again. How are you? Are you happy
I'm
to?
good.
You're good.
I'm
Wow,
good.
that's good to know. And are you ready for today's lesson?
One.
Are you ready for today's lesson?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So now let's go with our lesson for today. So we are still at Unit 1, which is I love, I love animals. So now let's go with
Get ready for starters.
this is a get ready for starters. For now, we will go to, can you read this one, Ngok? Story.
Reading.
Very good. Let's say writing. Okay, so for our lesson for today, so we will talk about a story and we will practice your writing. Okay, so now let's
Writing.
writing. Very good. So now let's us go to our next page and let us see and let us listen a story. So let's listen, okay?
Listening 5.
Can you hear the sound? Do you hear the sound?
Okay.
Listen and read.
Yes?
Then act. 1,
Where's Lucy?
Where's
I don't
Lucy?
know.
2,
Look, she's on a horse. Wow! And where's Sam?
3,
Look! He's in the water. Yes, he's next to a frog.
4,
Okay, so that will be our story. So now, Ngok, what happened in the story? Let's look
Mm,
what happened.
okay. Mm,
Let
mm.
let's look first in this first picture. Who is the person that they are finding?
Mm. Writing.
They are finding Lucy. So they said, where is Lucy? So they are finding where is Lucy. And what
Where
did,
is Lucy?
yes, very good. And what did the girl said? She said,
I don't count.
I don't know. Yes, very good. So she don't know where is Lucy. So now let's move on to our second picture. What happens in this picture? They saw. What happened? Who did they saw? Who is riding the horse?
Mm,
It is.
this is Lucy.
Yes, very good. So the one who is riding the horse is Lucy. And
Yes.
yes,
And
and after that, who is the other person that they are finding? Who is the other person that they are finding?
Jam.
Sam. And what happens in the third picture? Who is the person that they saw?
Um,
It is
this is Sam.
very good. It is Sam. And where is Sam? Where is Sam?
Um, here
Is in the
in the
water.
water.
Very good. And what is the animal that
It
he's next
is
to?
is a frog.
Very good. It is a frog. So Sam is next to a frog. So that is our story of finding Lucy and Sam. So now let us go with our next page.
Listening.
Okay, let's watch a video.
On, in, under, by. On, in, under, by. On, in, under, by. Where is the spider? On. On, in, under, by. On, in, under, by. On, in, under, by. Where is the spider? In. On, in, under, by. On, in, under, by. On, in, under, by.
Where is the spider?
Where is the spider?
Under. On, in, under, by. On, in, under, by. On, in, under, by. Where is the spider? By. On, in, under, by. On, in, under, by. On, in, under, by. Bye-bye.
Okay, so that is our video. So this is all about prepositions. So let us go to our next page and find out what are those prepositions. Okay, so let's read our first preposition. It is in. In. Okay. So when we say in, so this preposition, we use it when something is inside. Like this. What animal is this? Ngok. What animal is this?
Is a raccoon.
A raccoon. Very good. And where is the raccoon?
The raccoon is in the box.
Very good. So the raccoon is in the box. So we will use our preposition in. So when something is inside, like in the picture, the raccoon is inside the box. So for our preposition, we will use in. Okay. So next, so very good. So next one, let us go with our second preposition. So for our next preposition, it is
On.
on. Okay. So when we use or when we say on, so for on,
On.
we use on when something is on top. For
On
example,
top.
on top. Very good. For example, this raccoon. Where is the raccoon in the picture?
The record is on the box.
Very good. The raccoon is on the box. So as we can see, so the raccoon is on the top of the box. So when we see something which is on the top, so we will use the preposition on, like this one. The raccoon is sitting on the box. Okay, so next. Next preposition is
On the.
under. Very good. So when we say under, so this preposition, so we will use under when something is below. Below.
Below. Below.
Yes, very good. Like this raccoon in the picture. So where is the raccoon?
The raccoon is under the box.
Very good. So the raccoon is under the box. So the raccoon is sleeping under the box. So when we say under, so it is below something. So the raccoon is below the box. So we will use under, the preposition under. So next, let's go with our next preposition. What is our next preposition?
Next to.
Next to. Okay, so when we say next to, so we use this preposition when something is beside. So when we say beside, like in this picture, so where do you think is the raccoon in the picture?
The raccoon is next to the box.
Very good. So as we can see, so the raccoon is next to the box. So it is beside the box. So we will use the preposition next to for something or the things that are beside us. Okay, so that will be our preposition. So now let us practice this preposition more in our next page. So let's go with our next page. Okay, so let's look at the first picture. So where is Sam?
Next to the dog.
Very good. So he is next to the dog. How about the frog? Where is the frog?
The frog is on the boat.
Very good. So we will use the preposition on because the frog is on the top of the boat. So the answer is it's on the boat. How about the
Uh,
yes, very good. How about the mouse? Where is the mouse?
the is next to the cat.
Very good. So it is next to the cat. So it is beside the cat. Like this, in our first example, Sam is next to the dog or beside the dog. So we will use the preposition next to and the subject that it is beside. Next, where is the bird?
The bird is on the road.
Very good. So let's look at the picture. So the bird as we can see, is on the top of the goat. So we will use the preposition on. So good job. So next, for this one, where is Lucy?
The Lucy is in the tree.
Very good. So she is in the tree. So as we can see, the girl is inside the branch of the tree. So we will use the preposition in. So she's in the tree. So good job. Next.
Listening 6. Listen.
Okay. So next, let us go with our next page. So can you read this one, Ngo?
Where is
Where?
the cat?
Okay, so let us find where is the cat. Okay, let's go to our next page. Okay, so for this one, so we will have a picture and you will say where the cat is. So now let's start. Okay, so I will click the picture.
Okay.
Where is the cat?
Um,
Where is the cat? Yes, where is she or where is it? It is
is a cat.
the cat is
The
in.
cat in the cat is in the house.
Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. So correct, very good. So the cat is in the house. So very good. We will use the preposition in because as we can see, the cat is inside the house. So very good. Next. Okay. So now can you choose a color? Can you choose a color?
Oranges.
Oranges. Okay, let's open the oranges. Okay, there's still no cat. Choose another color.
Green.
Green. The cat is still not
Yellow.
yellow. Okay. How about other colors?
Pink.
Pink. Okay. And
Purple. Purple.
purple. Okay, now let's look. Where is the cat?
They are the cat. He's a cat. He's a cat.
Where is it? The cat
Uh,
is the cat
the
is
cat. The cat is on the chair.
very good. The cat is on the chair. So as we can see, so it is sitting at the top of the chair. So when we see something which is on the top of something, so we will use the preposition on. So very good. The cat is on the chair. So next. Okay, so choose another colors.
Blue.
Blue. Okay, what color blue? There's a lot of blue. Light color blue or the dark color? Okay, dark colors. Oh, there's still no. Okay, choose another
Yellow.
color. Yellow.
Yellow. Orange.
Orange. Okay.
Green.
Green. Okay, can you see the cat now?
Here.
Where is the cat?
The cat. Here's the cat.
The cat
Here.
is. Where
The
is the
cat.
cat?
Here.
What will be our sentence or what will the preposition that we will use? Is it in, on, under, or next to?
Mm, the cat is in the box.
Very good. So we will use the preposition in because the cat, okay, let's go back. The cat is inside the box. So your answer is correct. So very good. The cat is inside or in the box. Next, let's go to our next page. Okay, choose another set of colors.
Pink.
Pink. Okay, let's open the pink. Okay, choose another
Orange.
color. Orange. Orange.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Green.
Green.
Purple.
Purple. Okay. So where is the cat?
Mm,
Choose another
yeah.
color.
Here.
Here. Okay, where is the cat? What will we use? What preposition will we use?
The cat is under the bed.
Very good. The cat is under the bed because as we can see, the position of the cat is below the bed. So we will use the preposition under. So very good. So next, choose another set of colors.
Mm, Orange.
Orange. Okay, let's choose orange. Oh, I can see the cat.
Here.
Okay. Where is the cat?
The cat is next to no. The cat is on the box.
Very good. So the cat is on the book because it is at the top of the book. So we will use the preposition on. So very good. Next, next one. Choose another set of colors.
Mm, mm, Yellow.
Yellow. Okay.
Green.
Green.
Oh, orange.
Oranges. Okay.
Okay. Um,
Hmm. And
um,
okay. So where is the cat?
the cat is on the train.
Very good. So the cat is on the train. So the cat is at the top of the train. That's why we will use the preposition on. So very good. So next, choose another colors.
Mm, Um, blue.
Blue, dark blue, light blue.
Blue.
Okay.
Green.
Green,
Pink.
pink. What color?
Yellow. Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. So where is the cat?
The cat is in the back.
Very good. So the cat is in the bag. So as we can see, so the cat is inside the bag. So we will use the preposition in. So very good. So good job. Next. Okay, so choose another set of colors.
Mm, Pink.
Pink. Okay.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Oranges.
Oranges. Okay, where is the cat?
Green.
Green.
And
Okay, let's open green.
the cat is mm, the cat is on the tree.
Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Oops. Okay, so our answer is, or preposition is in. So as we can see, so the cat in the picture is among the branches of the tree. So it is surrounded by the branches of the tree, meaning, so it is inside the tree itself. So we will use the preposition on, or in, I mean in. So we will use the preposition in. So still a good try. So good try. Very good. Next. Okay, just a color. I
Orange.
orange,
Green.
green. Okay, where is the cat?
The cat is on the mm, on a
What do you call this one?
computer.
Very good. So the cat is on the computer. So we will use the preposition on because as we can see, the cat is on the top of the part of the computer. So very good. So this will be our last one. So choose another color.
Orange.
Orange.
Blue.
Blue, dark blue, light blue. Light. Okay. Oh, it's a dog. Where is the cat?
And pink.
Pink.
Purple.
Purple. Okay, where is the cat?
The cat is under the dog.
Very good. So the cat is under the dog. So as we can see, it is below the jumping dog. So we will use the preposition which is under. So good job. So good job for our today's lesson, Ngok. So that is all for our lesson for today. But before we end our lesson, so what did you learn for today's lesson, Ngok? We learned about
How?
what do we
About
about?
um I don't.
We call them as
Yes. Big
pre
pressure.
prepositions.
Preposition.
Very good. So we learned about prepositions. So what are those prepositions?
Good. Mm.
What are the prepositions that we learned today? It is
Is
i-
is
in,
is in on the
what do we
next to
very good. So good job. So these are the preposition that we learned about today. So I can see that you understood the use of each preposition. So good job for today's lesson, Ngok. So for you to be able to improve your understanding with this preposition, so I suggest after our class, if you have free time, so you practice this preposition and making sentences. Okay? Okay, okay. Okay, so thank you so much for your participation today, Ngok. So you did a great job and see you again soon. Bye-bye, Ngok. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Take your rest well. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.